I'm Michelle. I'm the owner of GIGIL. It's so nice to meet you for agreeing to participate in this video series. I'm super excited.
I don't know that I ever would have realized how behind she was if not for COVID. If I hadn't been put in charge of her schooling
Yeah.
the way I was.
Yeah.
And sitting there listening to her Zoom calls and going, she can't read like that. No way. Like she's nowhere near there.
What I try and do is I'm not big on them sitting and working in workbooks all day long. It was really hard for me to learn okay, we don't need to be like this and this all day long, that we do have that flexibility, and we chose this for flexibility, but I felt like I was slacking off if I didn't have them sitting working on something all day. So it took me a lot of time to kind of break out of that. So to this day we still start